So a lot of people who've taken the wisdom workshops have asked, do you ever do anything for couples? Is there a group thing ever that goes on here? So hey everybody, it's Sean Waters, super excited to invite you to a special one-day workshop on flourishing relationships on February 17th of 2022. We designed this workshop in response to a couple of requests to make a space designed to help couples and other people who are singles actually cultivate the skills, frameworks, tools to flourish in their relationships with themselves and also flourish in their relationships with each other. So this is not couples counseling, it's not group therapy, this is just an exploration of the psychological and Buddhist science of how we can cultivate inner health and inner well-being that we can bring to a relationship for relational health and relational well-being. So it's called Flourishing Relationships because we're looking at the particular kinds of relationships that are going to help us flourish and how we can feed into our relationships so that they flourish. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we will see you there.